It is okay to you to record our conversation.
Yes.
What is your name?
My name is Roland Almendras.
Did you change your name?
Ano ang klase kapag mangkuan ang
Depende sa'yo kung palitan mo yung pangalan mo.
kung pwede nga hindi na.
Okay. When did you know you are gay?
Bahalin pag in I was bali nagsimula na nagkaroon ka ng isip.
Ako po. How did you come out? Paano mo na ilabas sa public na...
Bali, actually, accept din ako sa mga parents before ko come out sa public. Parents ang na-open ko sa parents, tapos accept, tapos na public na gin-open ko sa public.
So this was your answer in what did your parents say? Are you happy on your identity?
Sure.
Why?
Yes, happy. Siyempre, hindi man natin siya masiling ina siya is pinilit. Kung bali ina siya is kumbaga pagmulat mo na nga amo ka nagigali sina.
Yes. Everybody knows here in our barangay that you had already built your own family. But for example, nasa past yung nasa single ka pa. Gustuin mo pa rin ba na magkaroon ng pamilya na mayroon ka ngayon? And I am so proud of you for being a mother to your kids. Gustuhin mo rin ba na mabuo pa rin yung kung ano yung mayroon ka ngayon?
Opo.
Why?
Kasi dira ko na express nga
Yes.
being what I am para tapos bali mag-handle sang responsibilidad bilang isa ka pamilya
Yes.
isa ka pamilya.
Opo. What is your dream?
To become successful ones, and of course together with my family.
If given a chance, do you want to change your sex? Why?
Amo na siya ang siling I believe the sayings that I will born gay, I will die gay, but my sentiments will remain.
Ay, thank you very much, Kagawad. In the interview I did with this gay, I learned that regardless of your gender, if you have a dream in life, you have the right to fight for it. And I am so very proud of this gay and to her partner because they showed that they can stand up for the family they built and they never shamed it, but they fought for what they are. They showed everyone that they can be a good parents to their son despite of their identity.